There's a national shortage of technicians now. Everybody wants them.
It's very difficult to find technicians.
I would say there is a demand for good technicians.
We need a lot more techs. We've got open slots for about 110 technicians right today.
Construction Forestry program is a partnership with the school, the local John Deere dealership, and John Deere Corporate. It was actually a program that was brought about by industry to fill the need for new techs. So the goal of the program is really to bring new technicians into the field.
You know, I didn't really know what I wanted to do after high school. Started thinking about what did I do in the past that made me really happy. You know, always being around farm equipment and trucks, so I figured why not pursue it as a career.
Personally, high school wasn't my favorite time. I did okay, but really I knew that sitting behind a desk wasn't the place for me. I really enjoy being out here and being in the shop just about half the time.
Start out at 8 o'clock in the morning, and I've got the same students from 8 o'clock to 4. It's just a regular work day. They start first quarter working with John Deere Service Advisor, and they work all 7 quarters. By the time they graduate, they're very fluent with Service Advisor, and I think that helps them a tremendous amount in the field.
I really like the way that this program is structured. It's got the classroom settings that we need to learn in depth what we're going to be dealing with, and then at the same time, we get to come out in the shop and then apply it.
We really train these guys to be Deere technicians. This is a really good launching point to move them into a higher level career.
They have a good knowledge base before they ever get here. They know the equipment, they're actually already trained on the equipment, so it just gives them a good starting background. We get them out here in our shops and they do their internships and get some experiences when they really start to blossom.
The benefits to Murphy Tractor through the program is the students come out with a very in-depth knowledge and training through John Deere, where we're able to place them in capstone programs and have them certified in product groups very quickly. We have a huge monetary savings on the courses, but we also have a time savings.
They're valuable for the dealership, they're very valuable for John Deere, but most important, they're very valuable for our customers.
A mechanic can fix things. You know, it doesn't take a lot to fix something, but it takes somebody special to diagnose it. That's why we're producing technicians here. We're not necessarily producing mechanics.
Once you graduate from the CF Tech program, really the sky is the limit.
So it gives you a level up from other people that may not have a degree. So it opens up your possibilities, you know, maybe 1,000 times.
Being where I am today from the CF Tech program has been incredible. It's allowed me and my family some stability in life and not having to worry so much.
It's worth it. You're going to have a great career, you're going to have that associate's degree under your belt, and you're going to have the John Deere name in your resume, and it's amazing.
At the end of the day, you get a great job opportunity from just about anybody who has any sort of heavy equipment, especially John Deere. They give you great opportunities.
Graduates either working for us or in the program, the success story has been incredible.
This program means everything to me.
It's gotten me to be where I am today, and I'm very proud of that.
This CF Tech program is preparing me for the future.